If your kid's coming up on the 100th day of school, this little outfit is so cute. So it comes with the little gray granny style wig and a wig cap. And then this is the shirt. I was really impressed because it's actually a really soft, stretchy shirt. So that's really nice. And I like the vibrant colors on it. So that's super cute. And then you have earrings, which my daughter doesn't have her ears pierced. So you could get some little pearl earrings if you want. And then you have a bracelet. You have a pearl necklace, the pearl bracelet as well. And then these little glasses, I'm not going to put them on because I don't want to stretch them out. But my daughter's been wearing them and they're so cute on her. So they totally do fit kids' faces. And then the cane. So the cane kind of twists apart. You can keep it short style or you can add this middle section to it and make it a little longer. It's just like a pretty cheap plastic. So if they put their weight on it, it's going to like bend and flex, but it is so perfect for that 100th day of school. So if you want a really cute outfit for your child, this one's adorable.